leaving.
Suck my dick.
Alright, okay. Not a problem. Did you call an additional?
Suck my dick, nigga. Fuck the police. On my back say fuck you niggas, word? Fuck you. Fuck you, pussy. We ain't gonna do nothing. You bust that shit, I'm gonna rush you. I promise you.
Alright. Don't worry about it.
So what's up, guys? You just seen the clip I just showed. Bronx, New Yorker David Crowell arrested by NYPD. Then Jamal Brown reacts on Twitter. Now, for me, there's two ways that you can look at this. One, the guy shouldn't have been acting like an asshole, right? Shouldn't have been sticking my chest out. You ain't gonna do shit. You ain't gonna do nothing. He could have reacted better. I always talk about control your emotions, bring that shit down a level. That's one side of it. But also the other side of it is the cops, right? Same thing for the cops. Bring that emotion down. You don't have to always take it there to the next level. What crime did this man commit? In the end, what crime did this man commit? And you're going to see the police gave this guy all types of false charges just because they are the cops. They are the police. So David Crowell, 29, of the Bronx, New York City, was charged with resisting arrest, obstructing governmental administration, disorderly conduct, and they charged this guy with harassment. Well, for me, just some made up charges. So this happened on July 6th. Crowell was aboard a subway train at the West 116th Street and Lenox Avenue station in Manhattan, New York City, where he was accused of opening an exit gate for a male friend. Now, so you telling me you get 7 to 8 cops for somebody opening a fucking gate? Come on, cops, man. I would have seen that shit and be like, man, that ain't even waste my time. Why waste your time on something so fucking small? Then the other side of it, he committed a crime. So body-worn camera footage shows the man cursing at officers, refusing to exit the train, and threatening them with additional officer on the scene. The man continued to resist the arrest, prompting use of a taser. So you seen with the taser, right? He calmed down, and the cop tased him anyway. It is what it is. Now, I know we're going to see things different. My point of view, the guy was calmed down. Another point of view, he was wrestling with them motherfucking cops.
Not a problem. Did you call an additional?
Suck my dick, nigga. Fuck the police. On my back say fuck you niggas, word? Fuck you. Fuck you, pussy. We ain't gonna do nothing. You bust that shit, I'm gonna rush you. I promise you.
Alright. Don't worry about it. We're not leaving.
Suck my dick.
Alright, okay. Not a problem. Did you call an additional?
Suck my dick, nigga. Fuck the police. On my back say fuck you niggas, word? pussy. We ain't gonna do nothing. You bust that shit, I'ma run you. I
Go ahead.
promise you.
All right. Don't worry about it. We're not leaving.
Suck my dick.
All right.
So, suck my dick, you bust that, I'ma run you. Then you know it's gonna go there when the cops don't worry about it. I got some more boys coming. Call the rest of the gang. And the rest of the gang showed up. Over something so small though, but hey, this is America for ya. On July 15th, 2021, Jamal Brown, 45, took to Twitter to share a video of the incident. Without mentioning Crowell's name, the New York congressman implied that the NYPD is focusing on the wrong thing. Focusing on the wrong thing. So he writes, you can tell a lot about the country by whom and what it criminalizes. So some dude jumped the train. So fucking what? While the rich dodge hundreds of billions of tax per year, we have a whole gang of cops going this hard over alleged fare evasion. Enough is enough. A gang of NYPD officers. It's crazy. Let's look at this again. So you can hear people in the background saying he did pay. But this officer right there shows the discharge, his taser. How many officers did it take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I counted 6 when you look at the other side. So it's very important that you guys look at the other side of the story or other side from the cops' point of view. I guess you could say the cops were trying to do their job, trying to enforce the law, or just trying to make the whole subway system safe for individuals to ride. Because a lot of people are witnessing the crime in New York, and a lot of people are not going to New York. They're going to avoid New York. So you can look at it at both sides, from Crowell sides and from the cop side. You like, comment, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy D. I'm out of here.